Perfecting your English, the idiom, roasted to a turn. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into the flavorful world of English idioms. Idioms add color to the language and can be quite confusing for learners. So, let's unravel the meaning and usage of the idiom, roasted to a turn. The phrase, roasted to a turn, originates from cooking, particularly the roasting of meat. To roast something to a turn means to cook it perfectly, so it's just right, not undercooked or overcooked. But how does this translate into everyday English conversation? In a figurative sense, roasted to a turn can describe a situation where something is done just right or to perfection. It's not about cooking anymore but about achieving an ideal state or condition in various contexts. Let's see how to use this idiom in sentences. In a project, the team executed the plan roasted to a turn, leaving no room for errors. In personal achievements, she organized her schedule roasted to a turn, balancing work and leisure perfectly. While it's a colorful expression, remember that roasted to a turn is not commonly used in everyday conversation. It's more of a literary or formal idiom. Also, it's mostly used in positive contexts, highlighting precision and perfection. Today, we've explored the idiom, roasted to a turn, touching on its origins, meaning, and use in language. Idioms like these enrich your English and help you express ideas vividly. Happy learning, and we hope this video has been roasted to a turn for your English learning journey.